it's a shower from auto services provider. This is Honda CRV 2008. I have an issue with the actuator making a noise, so I thought I'll change the actuator motor. So it's a lock, completely lock, you have to replace it, and this is how it comes, brand new. I just removed the packing. So this one and this one was originally, so I was trying to make a video for, because there's two issues on it. First of all, how to remove this lever, where it is, this lever which is connected to the here. So they have a clip, and this goes to the outer lever like this. So it goes like this, and they're locked. The point is, you don't have enough space over here to remove it. So best what I found it, just remove 10mm from here and here, which is brackets are, one is here, one is here. So whenever you slightly make it off little bit from here, then you can pry bar over here and then push it once the lock is up, like there's the lock. Let's know this one, this lock. So once it's locked up like this, then you can pry bar, push it out. The only problem when we are facing is it's not easy to take it out inside the car, because you cannot move it, or if you move it, you cannot make a pressure to move out, because if you see over here, that's a lock over here like this. So technically you have to take it out from here. Normally it comes with it, or it's genuine, that's why it's not coming with it. What is it inside? So long story short, just tell you how to remove the board. So first of all, you have to pull it out from here, and then they have a screw, which I don't think so I have to remove it, but I remove it. Secondly, it was like this. So whenever you take it off, put it on side, there will be two bolts over here, one bolt on the handle from the side, normally you cannot see it, one is from the bottom. Let me show you over here. This one you have to, let's say this is how it is, right? So you have to remove from here. From here there will be two Phillips screws, there will be one over here, there will be two over here on the handle, and probably you can move your handle, so don't make a mistake to remove these cables. Just remove it slightly out and it will become out. Last step is to remove this grip, which is power window grip, so you have to push it down and pull it up. That's a short review for this thing, how to remove it. Now come to the main problem where I didn't focus it. So let's see how to remove this lever. Again, I'm coming on that thing. So I was pulling out and I was in a hurry, so I didn't focus. It's been a long time. Last I changed it on the other door, so I didn't focus it. So there's an issue with the coming off this grip. So this is the one. Originally when I was taking off this thing, I didn't focus. I was trying to pull it up with the lever, so that was my mistake. So don't make a mistake. Just take the cutter plier, put it over here and gently pull it up, because they have a cut. If you can see it over here, they have a locking cut, like they make it over here. So slightly it's not, this is how it is. So you have to pull it up from this lock. Oh. So whenever you pull it up with the any tool which you can use it, I use a cutter plier to just make a hold and pull it up. You can use a trim remover, anything. So once it's out, just put it like this or with it. So you have to put it just hold. Okay, so once it's out, just gently put it in the grooves over here and move it left and right, and it will go push. Once it's pushed, then you have to push this grip back or locking back and then press it. I was trying to, I don't know how I make it a little bend. I'll make it straight, but that's how it works. So vice versa, you have to fix it back. They have a big, my advice is just punch it something bigger. Punch it first, and then try to lose it. It will make it easy your life. Secondly, I was telling you how to remove this thing, so you don't have to remove so many things from here. You don't have to remove any screw from here, this side. You have to remove only 2 screws, which is held by this thing, which is like goes over here, kind of like that. So basically you are doing, you're using an original cover for this one. You have to hold the wire over here, which is like, one is here, let's say put it like this. So you have to remove this clip and take it out everything, so which is located over here. It's have a clip, so you have to only remove the wire. Second wire, where is it? Second wire was located somewhere here. This is how it located. You have to transfer it over here, then put it on the lock. This is the locking, and that's it. This is how it goes, like this, and then turn it back. It will lock. So hopefully it will help you out. This is Sharo from Auto Services Provider. Normally I don't mess with the locks, so sometimes it mess with me. Anyways, thank you for watching. This is Sharo from Auto Services Provider. Hopefully it will help you out, and please share, subscribe. Thanks.